Hi, my name is Ifa. I am an applied chemistry student who is now currently taking a course called Applications of Computer in Chemistry. Have you heard about Chemsketch before this? Chemsketch is a drawing package that allows you to draw chemical structures including organics, organometallics, polymers, and many more that is developed by the SED labs. And don't worry because I will show you on how to use Chemsketch.
I got your back. Oh my, so what we are going to do? We are going to learn basic Chemsketch tutorial as a beginner.
So what we are going to do is first to draw simple molecule and generate its name. Second, to draw complex molecule and the lab kits using template window. And the third one is to draw simple chemical reaction. And then we will continue to draw simple chemical mechanisms. And lastly, to convert the structure into a 3D viewer and find bond angle, bond length, and the torsion angle. So after you downloaded the Chemsketch from the Google, you can just open the software and it will appear like this. On the left side, you can see the element that listed here, including bromine. And you don't have to worry if the elements that you want to draw does not listed here because you can just click on the periodic table of element and it will show all the elements that in the periodic table, and you can choose any element that you want. And for example, I will pick carbon. So I will just simply draw a molecule like this, or maybe a cyclic structure also like this. And you don't have to worry if the molecule is not symmetrical because you can just select this molecule and click the clean structure, and Chemsketch will help you to make the structure become symmetrical. Or you can also choose quick drawing on the right side like this. You just need to just paste it on the screen for this, and this for benzene, just click it and it will simply draw it for you. And also if I want to add like a substituent, for example like this, I want to add OH here, and it will come out like this. And if I click here, it will change from single bond to double bond. And also I can also add a substituent here, substituent methyl here, or I can add like chlorine here, and here also. And if I want to add any substituent that does not even listed here, or even in the table of radical here, I can just simply click the edit atom label and click on the substituent that you want to replace. For example, I choose this methyl and I want to replace it with an amino group, so I will simply choose, or you can type and click insert, and it will automatically replace it for you. And you also can generate name for this structure. You can click this generate name for structure and it will automatically show you the name. Also you can generate name for inchi, and also you can generate for the smile notation too, like this. So moving on to the next, I will click the new page here. The second one, I will show how to draw complex structure or draw lab kits using template window. You can just simply click here, templates menu, and choose template window like this. Or you can also click this one, open template window. It's either one works to open the templates window, and there is a lot of like molecules or lab kit, lab animals that you can choose. And how you want to draw it, just simply you can, for example, I choose alkaloid. You just click on the structure and then paste it on the screen. And you also can take the name of the molecule, click on the name and just paste it under the complex molecule. Or I can show you another example, which is for the lab kit. You can choose lab kit, click lab kit here, and there's a lot more choices here. You just can find any drawing that you want, and I will choose this rotary evaporator trap, and just simply paste it on the screen and then just resize it to the size that you want, and you can take the name for this apparatus just simply as that. So for the third one, I'm going to show you how to write a simple chemical reaction. So the name for this reaction is hydrolysis of of ester. So I will change it into structure and then choose this drawing to draw an ester. And then here, change the substituent O, and then I will clean the structure like this. And the name for the structure is ethyl benzoate. And then I will put an error by clicking this reaction error. Simply draw an error, and then I will click reaction error labeling to label the error, which is I will put it NaOH, ethylene glycol, and the heat symbol. And for the lower, I will put HCl, and it will appear on the upper and the lower side of the error. And for the product of this reaction, we're gonna get a benzoic acid. Change the substituent OO and H, plus another product that we get from this reaction is an alcohol, which is ethanol. Change, and I will clean the structure like this. And I will generate name for both of the product, benzoic acid and ethanol. And that is all for the simple chemical reaction. For the next, I will show you how to write or draw a simple reaction mechanism using the Chemsketch. And the mechanism would be the nucleophilic addition to alkene. So I'm going to extend this a little bit, and I'm going to draw an alkene, a simple alkene. This an alkene double bond add with HBr like this, and I'm going to clean the structure like this, and then put the reaction error. I will change it to the draw, and click on this arc or line, this, and I can change the degree. I will choose this one and click on the arrow, and you can draw the arrow like this. And I'm going to choose another degree of arrow for this one, and I will draw it like this. And then I will add the reaction arrow, and we will get a carbocation intermediate like this. I will clean again the structure, and I will put a plus sign here to indicate that this carbon is the carbocation here like this, and show another Br here. And to make it like Br negative, I'm going to choose here the decrement sign and click it on Br, and then I will again choose the arrow and draw it to attack this carbocation. And the product that you'll be getting from this reaction is 2-bromobutane like this, and add the bromine for the substituent, and I will clean the structure like this. And you can put the name for the reactant, butane, and 2-bromobutane for the product. And that is for the simple mechanism that you can draw in Chemsketch. So for the next one, I'm going to show you how to convert the molecule to the 3D viewer. So I'm going to draw a molecule, which is the benzoic acid like earlier. And O here and H here. And then I'm going to select this molecule. You click tools and add a specific hydrogen, and then you click the 3D viewer. It will automatically direct you to this 3D viewer, and you can see the molecule in lots of way like this. And you can also label the molecule. You just click view and click label all, and you can know which is the carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen located at. And you can click this to know the bond length. So I will choose these two carbon. Okay, so the the bond length between this carbon is 1.235A. So next, I'm going to choose this one is the bond angle between this one, and this one. It is 190.998 degree between these three angles. And lastly is for the torsion angle. I'm going to select this carbon HC. I'm going to get 180 degree between this, the torsion angle. So you also can copy this structure to the Chemsketch bag like this. Copy, you can choose the image and keep the page content, click OK, and then it will paste the image, the 3D image here.
Yay!
Look at her smile.
Now I know how to use Chemsketch.
That is all from me. Thank you for watching my tutorial video. See you next time.
Created using Powtoon.